A successful presentation partner, IMAGEPOINTER. IMAGEPOINTER is Choice Technology's next-generation X pointer that enables clear pointing on any display. When it comes to a regular laser presenter, the pointer is not visible on LCD monitors and screens. By allowing you to set the pointer on your desired images, such as logos and emblems, IMAGEPOINTER enables you to deliver a presentation that stands out. Since IMAGEPOINTER provides drag and drop as well as click features on computers that support Windows and Mac OS computers, it can be used as a traditional mouse. In addition to the laser pointer function, by taking advantage of the IMAGEPOINTER mode that features zooming, highlighting, drawing, and other useful functions, presenters can give effective presentations. The device comes in handy even in an unexpected situation, since it supports fast charging mode. Make your ordinary presentation extraordinary in any display environment. IMAGEPOINTER will assist you throughout your presentation process. A successful presentation partner, IMAGEPOINTER.